Good morning, children. Welcome to English Class 7. Today we start with Unit 1 Supplementary. On Monday morning, the story is adapted from the novel The Adventures of Tom Sawyer, written by Samuel Langhorne Demons, known by his pen name Mark Twain. Main characters are Tom Sawyer, his younger brother Sid, Aunt Polly, and Doctor. It was on Monday morning. Tom Sawyer found it hard and miserable going to school, like many of us feel after 2 days of weekend holidays. This naughty boy, Tom Sawyer, woke up one Monday morning thinking many plans to avoid going to school. First, he examined himself, means checked himself if he had any sickness or injury in him. He found that he had stomachache, but soon it vanished. Then he continued to check for some ailment, it means injury in his body, to find reason to not to go to school. He then discovered that his upper front teeth was loose, but he thought if he said this reason, his Aunt Polly would pull his tooth out, and that might hurt him. So he thought of dropping this plan. At last, he remembered a doctor advising a patient about a sore toe for which the patient should rest for 2 or 3 weeks. Sore toe, it means a painful toe. Now he thought that this idea would work out. So he took his sore toe from the bedsheet and kept it for inspection, and slowly he started groaning. Groaning means making a painful sound. Now in this part, let us see the conversation between Tom and his half-brother Sid. Sid was a younger brother of Tom who loved him more and believed him in all the time. Sid was in deep sleep, and so Tom shook him to wake up, telling him imaginary sickness. Tom was groaning louder and louder. Seeing that, Sid felt bad for himself, and he was shocked to see Tom's condition. Tom pleased Sid to forgive all his mistakes, and he told Sid to give his window frame and his cat with one eye to the new girl who has come to town. Tom told Sid that he was going to die. So Sid informed his Aunt Polly. She rushed to Tom and asked Tom what happened. Tom said that his sore toe was dying. His aunt understood that he was acting or pretending, so she started laughing. Tom felt a little foolish. He informed his aunt about his loose tooth. So her aunt checked and found one of his teeth is loose. Aunt Polly asked Tom's cousin Mary to bring a silk thread and junk of fire, it means piece of fire, to pull his tooth out. But Tom requested his Aunt Polly not to pull his tooth out, and he confessed that he did not want to stay away from school, but still Aunt Polly pulled out his tooth. Though Tom always tried to break her heart by mischievous activities, still she loved him more. So that was the story of Tom Sawyer. Finally, we learnt a lesson from the story that we should never say lie in any of a situation or in any cost. So children, I believe that you all have understood the story. We meet soon with next session. Till that, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.